Hello and welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom, and I'm happy you're here with me today. In this lesson, we're going to practice something fun and personal. How to talk about your hobbies in English. Why hobbies? Because hobbies are a big part of who you are. They're the activities you enjoy, the things that relax you, and the interests that make you unique. When you meet someone new, one of the first questions they might ask is, "What do you like to do in your free time?" If you can answer this clearly and naturally, you will sound more confident, more fluent, and more friendly. So today I'll help you learn the sentences, vocabulary, and practice methods to talk about your hobbies in English. Why is it important to talk about hobbies? It's simple. Hobbies are common small talk topics. People love to connect over shared interests. If someone says, "I love playing football," and you say, "Me too," boom, you have a connection. If someone says, "I enjoy cooking," and you share your favorite recipe, the conversation continues. So by practicing this, you prepare yourself for real conversations with friends, coworkers, teachers, or even strangers. Step 1. Useful sentences for hobbies. Let's begin with simple sentences. Listen and repeat after me. In my free time, I like to read books. One of my hobbies is playing football. I really enjoy cooking new recipes. I love listening to music in the evening. Sometimes I watch movies or TV shows. On weekends, I go hiking in the mountains. I spend time drawing and painting. These are basic sentences, but they are powerful because they are real. Step 2. Expand your hobby sentences now. Let's make them longer. Add details with when, where, who, and why. Instead of, "I like reading," say, "I like reading mystery novels at night before I go to bed." Instead of, "I play football," say, "I play football with my friends every Sunday morning at the local park." Instead of, "I enjoy cooking," say, "I enjoy cooking Italian food, especially pasta and pizza." I love trying new recipes from YouTube. Adding details makes your English more natural and interesting. Step 3. My hobby story, shadowing practice. Let me share my hobby story. Listen first, then pause and repeat after each line. In my free time, I love to read books. I usually read in the evening before bed. My favorite type of book is historical fiction because I learn and relax at the same time. On weekends, I like to play football with my friends. We usually meet at the park at 9 a.m. and play for 2 hours. After football, we sometimes go to a cafe to drink coffee together. Another hobby I enjoy is cooking. I often watch cooking videos online and try new recipes at home. Last weekend, I made homemade pizza. It was delicious. When I have quiet time, I also listen to music. Music helps me relax and focus. I listen to soft jazz while working and upbeat songs when I exercise. These are my hobbies. They make me happy and give me energy. Step 4. Your turn to practice now. It's your turn. I'll ask questions and you try to answer out loud. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you play a sport or an instrument? Do you enjoy reading, cooking, or painting? What kind of music do you like? Who do you usually do your hobby with? Take a moment. Even short answers are fine. For example, "I like painting," or "I enjoy painting landscapes with watercolor in the evening." The more details you add, the better. Step 5. More practice sentences. Here are some more sentences you can use. Repeat after me. I usually practice my hobby in the evening. I started this hobby when I was a teenager. My hobby helps me relax after work. Sometimes I share my hobby with my family. I want to learn a new hobby in the future. My hobby makes me feel creative and happy. Great! These are excellent sentences for real-life conversations. Step 6. Review and reflection. Okay, let's review what we learned today. Talking about hobbies is important because it shows your personality, builds connections, and helps you practice English with real topics. We practiced short sentences. I like reading. I play football. We practiced longer sentences with details. I enjoy reading mystery novels at night. We practiced a full hobby story. And you also practiced answering questions out loud. The key is repetition. Try speaking about your hobbies every day. Record yourself, listen back, and try again. Over time, your sentences will become smoother and you'll sound more natural. Final thoughts. Here's my challenge for you. After this episode, record a short audio where you describe your hobbies. Even just 1 or 2 minutes. Say what you like, when you do it, who you do it with, and why you enjoy it. Each week, add more details. Soon, you'll be able to have real, flowing conversations about your hobbies with anyone. This is English Unleashed, and I'm Tom. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.